Hi everybody, I am Simon from Doucet Machinery. I am supervisor of installation and after-sales services. We are here today to present you SRX clamp carrier. There are two main characteristics to describe your SRX. There is the width, which can go from 6.5 feet up to 24.5 feet. This one here we have is 14.5 feet. Also, there's the number of sections that you have on it. So here we have 6 sections. These are the row that goes around the SRX. So it can go from 6 up to 80. Actually, the number of sections depends on your production time and also the dry time of the glue that you're using. If you have any problem calculating the number that you need, call us and we'll help you calculate that. So on this specific SRX, we have 36 inches clamp. These are Acme screw clamps. So you have a mobile screw which is mobile with the Acme screw. On the standard model, we have the rapid change clamps, which allow you to quickly move the mobile clamp by hand. You would use the Acme screw in the case that you would probably use a tightening robot in your machine in the future, or if you just don't want your operator to have to reach the mobile jaw. The other spec on the clamps are actually the jaw height. So the standard one are 2.5 inches. Here we have 3.5 inches that came in option. This is mostly used for phase gluing or just thicker application. So if you're doing thicker material than 3 inches, you could use also clamp extender that come in options. So it can be 4 inches or up to 6 inches that are actually a part that you add onto the jaw and onto the mobile jaw as well. Another spec on the clamp is also the width. So standard will be 4 inches width clamp, and you can have as many as you want on a section of the clamp carrier. But you could also have 8 inches wide, 10 inches center to center fixed clamp, which could make sure that you have a higher production rate, up to 20% on your system. So here we have the tightening and loosening gun that you have to manually push and pull. So when you push it, you raise the handle and it will tighten the screw. You also have that flattener that allow you to flatten the panel while you are tightening your screws. You can also loose by lowering the handle. And finally, here on the tightening gun, you have an adjustment for tightening and loosening pressure. So by rotating this and by having a visual contact on the hydraulic unit, you can adjust the tightening pressure that you have. So when it's time to do the indexation, on the left here we have the control for the rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise. There is also this handle which controls the pressure of the indexation, which allow you to adjust the pressure of the clamps holding onto the barrier here. So the clamp will always be at the same place. And this is a factory adjustment, so you shouldn't have to touch it. And there's also this handle which controls the barrier itself, so it will be pull and push according when you're doing the indexation.